Hello guys, welcome to 5th Generation Hobby Shop and shoutout po kay Sir Max. Sir, welcome. This is your unit, the Glock 17 4 Series Silver Slide Black Frame. This one is the two-tone custom design of Glock. Comes with the Pop Dino Standard Power number 12.23 number 12 gas tank, and also comes with the .23 BBs, Airsoft BBs, 0.23 grams, 4,000 shots. Okay, and this is the box of the unit. This one is the 4 series. Yan, 4 series Glock 17 silver slide, black frame, silver barrel. Comes with the owner's manual. Also comes with the back strap and back strap pin and the unit. Okay, Glock 17 4 series. This one is the custom design of Glock 17. And as you can see, meron na siyang design na Punisher skull sa backplate. Tapos naka fiber optic sight na siya. Both rear, front and rear. Tapos may serrated na yung kanyang slide on top. Also with the sa gilid, sa side ng kanyang slide. Then meron na siyang cut on slide. Sa gilid meron din siyang cut. Tapos naka stippled grip na siya. Tapos naka magwell na siya. Then meron din siyang lagayan na accessories katulad ng flashlight. Threaded barrel na rin po. Yan. So yung kanyang barrel ay silver. Yan. Then naka red trigger safety na rin siya. Yan. 24 rounder capacity siya. 24 rounder yung magazine. Tapos mas malapad yung mag base. Ayan. Glock 17 4 series. Unit ni Sir Max. Ayan. So ito pala yung kanyang backstrap. Dito po yan, sir. So, gusto nyo pong ilagay yung backstrap, bali ilalagay nyo po yung pin para mag-lock. Okay. Made in Taiwan by WE. Mamaya i-testing natin yung EPS. Ayan. Glock 17 4 series. Ayan yung markings. Sa kabilang side naman. Ayan. So, pwede po itong lagyan ng red dot optic. Ayan, red dot optic, pwede po. Okay. Now, lagay tayo ng gas. Okay. And BBs. So, lagyan lang muna natin siya ng siguro apat para sa chronograph testing. 4 rounds lang muna. So, this one is semi-automatic pistol, no? Okay. So, tatest po natin, Sir Max, kung ilang EPS. Chronograph testing. Okay. Okay, malobat na pala yung chrono ko. Okay, testing. Sir Max, nalobat na nga. So, i-charge ko muna yung chronograph kasi nalobat na. Okay, Sir Max, testing tayo. Chronograph testing. Firing. Wow. Lakas, ha. 375.5. Wow, lakas. 375.5, then another one 368.3. Okay, another one 369.3. And one more. Wow. 380.1. Ganun siya kalakas. 380.1 EPS. Wow. Okay, and then nag-open chamber na siya dahil 4 na bala lang yung nilagay natin. Open chamber, release the mag. Tapos hatakin mo lang yung slide, sir, para bumaba yung slide stop. May spring kasi to. Sa mga Glock talaga usually may spring yan. So pag ginatak mo to, pull back mo yung slide, bumababa po yan. Ayan. Then release. Okay, hammer down. Okay, proceed tayo sa shooting test, Sir Max. Okay, Sir Max, shooting test of your Glock 17 4 series. Silver slide, silver barrel, black frame. This one is two-tone by WE, made in Taiwan. Testing. Ayan yung fiber optic sight. Firing. Bullseye. Okay? And then, ubusin natin yung bala. Open chamber. Release the magazine. Pull back the slide. Hammer down. Okay, Sir Max. Okay na po ang yung unit. Kung may question regarding sa inyong unit, message lang sa aming Facebook page, 5th Generation Hobby Shop. Thank you, sir, and God bless.